Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ 1500 4x4. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and OnStar. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.